Welcome to today's guide on how to check if someone is active on Snapchat with the latest updates. Whether you're reconnecting with a friend or just curious about their online status, these steps will help you stay in the loop. Let's dive in. First, unlock your device and locate the Snapchat app. Look for that iconic yellow background with the white ghost logo. Tap to open it, and make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your profile. Once you're in, swipe right from the main camera screen. This will take you to the chat section, where all your recent conversations are listed. Scroll through your chats or use the search bar at the top to find the specific friend you're curious about. Tap on their name to open the conversation thread. Now, focus on the lower left corner of the chat window. If their Bitmoji appears there, it's a strong indicator they're currently online and actively viewing the chat. This real-time presence is a subtle but reliable way to gauge their activity. Keep in mind, though, that this feature only works if both of you have the activity indicator enabled in your privacy settings. When they exit the chat or close the app, their Bitmoji will disappear from the corner. If you don't see it at all, they might be offline or using the app without engaging in chats. For added context, check the timestamps on your messages. If your snaps or chats show as opened, it confirms they've been active recently. Pro tip: combine this method with other clues, like sudden increases in their Snap score or recent story uploads, to get a fuller picture of their activity. And remember, while these tools are handy, respect privacy boundaries. Not everyone wants their online status constantly monitored. That's it. With these steps, you're all set to stay updated on your friend's Snapchat activity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. For more tips and tricks, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to never miss our latest guides. See you in the next one.